You have the California Treasurer John Chan to be our keynote speaker, and he will arrive later. And we also have two assemblymen, David Chu and Hanson Chu, and I think they have not arrived yet, but they will be here shortly. And we have the mayor of Milpitas, Rich Chen. Please stand. Milpitas 的市长哈，咱大家在拍鼓啊欢迎一下。And we also have the Vice Mayor of Milpitas, Marsha Greeley. Vice Mayor, and then we have Milpitas Council Member Bob Newlands. And we have the General Director of Taipei Economic and Cultural Center in San Francisco, 咱的马处长代表咱台湾的政府一下。And we have Cupertino Vice Mayor Darcy Paul. And we have Mike Donahue representing Dave Ortiz, President of Santa Clara County Board of Supervisors. And we also have our old friend, the former mayor of Milpitas, Jose Esteves. I think a lot of us know Jose. The next I'm going to introduce 吴主任我们文教中心的吴主任。今麦打电话李华林李华林博士是咱这个联合会这个台主咱这边有这个咱的副主任总副主任总副主任对咱联合会真照顾，然后我们有这个吴一鸣医生吴一鸣医生也是我们的支持者Okay, we have the city manager of Milpitas, Thomas Williams. 咱台湾会馆的这个理事长陈德辉兄。
Ni hao, ni hao. Thank you for having me here today. If I may be able to introduce myself, my name is Rich Tran. I'm the mayor of Milpitas. And let me tell you, I'm one of the luckiest mayors because we have the Taiwanese American Federation in Milpitas. A little bit about myself. I've been to the Republic. I've been to Taipei, I've been to Taiwan, very beautiful. I have many friends in Taipei, Taiwan. So allow me to take this time to recognize the Taiwanese American Federation of Northern California. So I want to thank you one more time, and Happy New Year!
Hello everyone, Mike Donahoe with County Board President Supervisor Cortez's office. He sends his congratulations on another successful Lunar New Year celebration, wishes the entire organization health and prosperity throughout the years, and he is committed to doing whatever he can to assist your organization. So congratulations, and on behalf of the entire Board of Supervisors, here's a commendation to the President Charles and the entire association.
但是在我们桌子上有一个梨花零，所以先是梨，然后是零，所以我可以记得，所以谢谢李会长和林会长。I very much appreciate everything that the TAFNC brings to the community. We had the pleasure in Cupertino of hosting this event for a number of years over at one of our establishments, and so we're very grateful that TICO is here in Milpitas, and thank you for your former mayor and your current mayor for welcoming TICO into the community. It's a really great thing to have a robust and vibrant set of viewpoints and discussions. So personally, I very much welcome the various political changes that we see, and I think that things go in cycles, and it's very important for us to remember that the essential thing is that we, get along together, we have these discussions, and we foster a lot of mutual prosperity and success. So thanks very much. I have something from the entire City Council of Cupertino, and it's signed by our mayor. She sends her regards. Savita Vaidyanathan. She is out of town right now, but it's a certificate of recognition. If you could have your prior president and the current president, I'd be very much happy to present it to both of you fine gentlemen. Thanks very much. Thank you.
咱下面请处长来甲咱讲几句话啊。
北加州台湾同乡联合会李嘉玲会长，周信甲副会长，各位台美社区社团领袖，各位台湾乡亲，Mayor of the Milpitas, the Richard Chan, and Vice Mayor Greeley, and the Vice Mayor of the Cupertino, Darcy Paul, and all officials from the city of Milpitas, from city of Cupertino, and the county of the Santa Clara, all the distinguished guests. 各位乡亲，大家早安，大家好，多谢。钟林今天非常的高兴，非常荣幸了。再过1个礼拜就是我们台湾传统的农历新年了。在这边就是我们今天能够和我们那个驻旧金山台北经济文化办事处的同事一起应邀前来北加州台湾同乡联合会2017年的年会活动，和大家在一起欢聚，来庆贺这个新年的到来。北加州台湾同乡联合会大家都知道是1973年就成立了，到现在已经有44年的历史。在过去44年的历史当中呢，由于我们历任的会长、副会长，还有干部以及所有的会员，大家的共同努力，不但是这个联合会的会务蒸日上，而且每一年都会举办许多定期的一些活动，来服务我们这个在北加州地区的乡亲，真的是成果斐然，备受大家的肯定。其中特别是为大家所津津乐道，为大家所称赞的，就是每一年的5月，这个联合会都会配合这个北美地区台湾传统周的这个庆祝，在这个 San Francisco City 的 Union Square 会办这个台湾文化节的活动。这项活动由于办得非常的成功，内容非常的丰富精彩。所以说，每一年都吸引了上万的观光客还有观众前来参加，真的是对我们这个台湾的国际的能见度，还有我们的就是推广台湾的优质文化，都有非常大的帮助。所以钟林在这边也要特别的感谢我们联合会过去所做的努力。那此外，我在这边也要特别在此借用这个机会来感谢联合会过去1年来对我们驻旧金山台北经济文化办事处所给予的这个支持和帮助，让我们能够顺利的完成许多对我们这个台美社区的一些服务的工作。特别是在上个礼拜，当蔡英文总统过境的时候，由于有我们那个同乡会的大力支持以及参与，所以说让我们的整个接待蔡总统过境的这个作业都非常的顺利圆满成功。我在这边也要一同感谢联合会的帮忙。 那在这个过年之前呢，我希望就是借这个机会，就是恭祝大家新年快乐，万事如意，台湾加油！多谢。对不起，因为有些我们来宾呢可能听不懂中文，容许我再用2分钟的时间，用英文简短的跟我们的这些听不懂的这个中文的朋友说几句话。Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm so much honored to be here with you to attend the year 2017. The annual conference held by the Taiwanese American Federation of the Northern California. This organization has done so much for the Northern California Taiwanese American community since its establishment in 1973. Over the past 44 years, it has successfully put on so many different events and activities that have benefited the Taiwanese American community in Northern California. All of their efforts have resulted in an increased awareness of Taiwan in Northern California, which I greatly appreciate and admire. And in addition, I also want to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to the Federation for its support to my office in the past year. And I'm looking forward to working with them continuously, hand in hand, to further enhance the benefits and the status of Taiwanese American in Northern California in the coming new year. And at the end of my remarks, I would also like to extend my best wish to each and every one of you. I wish you all have good health, happiness, and success in the coming new year, the year of Rooster. Thank you very much. Thank you. And I also want to say hello to my old friend, the Mayor Jose Esteves. Okay.
咱遐都有迄个画帕吼，Sacramento 分会的会长，为 Sacramento 全工来参加咱的年会，会长。
咱今仔日吼有这个ITASA就是咱遮的这个。 Taiwanese American Student Association 吼，伫个即个大学内面吼，咱今仔日有一个 Jenny Chan 吼，伊要来甲咱讲吼，因伫2017年吼，要拍算伫即个 Davis 吼办一个即个West Coast Conference 吼，咱台湾学生协会的即个夏联会吼。
Alright, hi everyone, my name is Jenny Chang and I am currently a senior at UC Davis.
Hello, my name is Ping Chen and I'm on the finance team at UC Davis.
So we are actually part of the student committee hosting the ITASA 2017 West Coast Conference. So ITASA stands for the Intercollegiate Taiwanese American Students Association, and I am the director of the student committee hosting the ITASA 2017 West Coast Conference. The West Coast Conference is a weekend-long conference that will take place from April 6th to April 9th at UC Davis. And there will be speeches, workshops, events, and activities that are meant to connect, inspire, and empower the Taiwanese American community. It's a very large event when we are expecting attendees from all across the West Coast. So if anyone is interested in getting more information on the conference, or is interested in contributing or supporting or sponsoring, any amount of support and any form of contribution will be greatly appreciated. So yeah, if you want more information, you can find me and Ping Yu at table 2. And yeah, that's all I have. Yeah. Thank you very much.
还有哈，我们有 Taco Life 的代表哈，要来跟我们像，
大家好，大家好，我叫 Sean， 我今天代表我们 Taco Life 夏令营来讲一下我们暑假的一些活动。所以，我们 Life 是北加州和湾区唯一专门为培养台美青少年的领导能力的夏令营。Life 夏令营拥有超过35年的历史，我们每年不仅是在暑假，都在协助台美青少年培养他们的领导能力。以及延伸他们对台湾文化的了解和培养他们对台湾的亲切感。好，我们都是同乡同胞嘛。然后我们今年夏令营的日期是6月19日至6月23日，是6天5夜的，是过夜的，他们小孩都会在那里过夜，所以。不用担心，我们有请巴士会带小孩过去的，在北湾的 Petaluma 举行。那如果有任何问题，我们在最后面那角落有一个桌子，可以来问一下我们。到时候吃完饭，因为我觉得大家都应该很饿吧，那吃完饭就可以去问一下我们问题。请问这有没有人小孩有去过我们的 Life Camp？请站起来，请站起来。如果有什么问题，也可以问他们。如果你们没有站起来，那你应该送你儿子啊、女儿啊、孙女啊，都送去我们 camp， 因为很好玩，而且我们都有很多的，我们一生都会交到一些很好的朋友，跟我们分福鱼干什么都有的，好。请参加我们的夏令营，送你们所有认识哪有小孩，请叫他们来参加。我们现在注册已经在我们网站注册已经开始了。那我们的网站是 lyf.tacl.org life.tackle.org， 谢谢。我们那个。年龄是刚刚从4年级完后到高中毕业的学生都可以来参加。
各位乡亲吼，我是吴东先吼。去年7月咱美式夏令会吼，我是总召集人吼。我即嘛是小来报告讲今年情形吼。I'm Edward Huang and I'm the coordinator of the last year's Taiwanese American summer camp in West Coast, and I just want to update on what's going on. We have been doing planning so that we can have this West Coast Taiwanese conference can be held every year. So we had a board director organizing this. So next year or this year in July 8 to 9 will be held in San Diego. And hope everybody will go come. And the planning committee over there is doing a good job so far, and they try to find the best speaker. And maybe I just this is in the planning, so they are trying to hire a very famous person, but I guess maybe I shouldn't say it right now. But so hope everybody will reserve your time for next this coming July and go to have a vacation in San Diego. Thank you very much.
咱即马吼，三来一位贵宾哦，这位贵宾哦，其实算个是咱家己的人吼。伊的父母是阮较早保证同乡会的这个朋友吼，即马因父母即马搬来遮吼，我就大家拢实在是知影吼。We want to welcome David to come to yeah, come on. Stay Assemblyman David Chu. David is. I think he is considered one of us because his parents are close friends of many of us.
大家好，新年恭喜！
I am so honored to be down with all of you today, and I want to say greetings for my family, and particularly for my mother and father, to all of our friends at this moment. They are on the East Coast, but they send their regards to all of you in this new year. I also have to say it's great to be at this cultural center. I think many of you know I represent San Francisco, where we have many Chinese constituents, but not as many who are from Taiwan. And to come here to this cultural center, to be among this amazing community as a son of Taiwanese immigrants is wonderful. I know we live in interesting times. This past year, we had the news of elections that are changing many things, but what I want to say is at this time in 2017, the Taiwanese American community here in California is vibrant, is powerful, and is growing in its influence. And I know that in a few short minutes we're going to be joined by my good colleague John Chung, who is running not only to be the first Asian American to be governor in the state of California, but the first person of Taiwanese descent to potentially hold that position. And I will tell you, and John will tell you, that we would not be where we are without your support, without your friendship, and without the good food that we're eating here today. And so, again, I just want to say thank you for everything you're doing. Thank you for being an incredible community. And I want to recognize Charles Lee, your president of the Taiwanese American Federation of Northern California. You have many great leaders in this room who work together to move us forward. But I want to thank you for your leadership and everything that you're doing to make our Taiwanese American community proud and to make California proud. Have a wonderful afternoon.
伊家己本身的，伊最近则有一个 baby 吼，就是可以家己来甲咱
Apparently I was forgetful in mentioning that the difference between last year and this year is I am a new father. And as someone who has been active over the years in the 2G, the second generation group of Taiwanese Americans, I want you to know that my son will be part of the 3G generation, and I look forward to bringing him here hopefully next year. Thank you so much.
希望明年伊来过来上台，甲咱讲话时吼，会鼓励一个出来。好，谢谢 ，Thank you, Mr. Chu。
各位乡亲们，大家好！今天真非常高兴能够有这个机会跟我的太太周英菊女士一起来参加这个春节的一个宴会。那么也非常高兴，我们请到了我们的State Treasurer John Chung to be the panelist, and I have learned a lot through the session, and I just wanted to say that Treasurer John came out of the rank as the Board of Equalization and become the controller, and now is the treasurer and the candidate for the governor. Although he's much younger than me, but I always look at him as my mentor. And he will be for no doubt, the best governor that we may even ever have in the state of California. So I really wanted to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy New Year. 恭喜各位新年身体健康，万事如意。And also have a shout out for John. He's be running for the governor in 2018. With we'll have a few very strong competitors, but if anything that we can help to make John to become the first Chinese American, Asian American governor in California, I'm asking you to do the best of you can. You know, tell your friends and family members, get them to register to vote if they have not registered yet, and get them vote and make sure that we will elect John Chung to be the next governor of the great state of California. Thank you. And with that, On behalf of the State Assembly member and the State Assembly, I'd like to present a certificate of recognition to the Taiwanese American Federation of Northern California for strengthening the Taiwanese Americans community and promote the Taiwanese culture within our state of California. The President is here.
恁的会长，北加州台湾同乡联合会经恁的会长要甲奖状颁给林正元先生会长，多谢你。
哦，感谢林会长，谢谢。
大家鼓掌，伊这一年的成绩。